I'm broken with old age. I've seen how they've all changed. Well, some are passing by and some are out tonight. But with all that being said, there's someone who's always been there, who never left my side, leaving all the things behind. And she's standing right in front of me with 2 mugs of coffee. There is something about that place that keeps me going. Ay nang ta Zianmei, ay nang ta Zianmei, ay nang ta Zianmei, ay nang ta Zianmei. The day that you came in, you made this home a better place. And when I see you passing by each day, you make me feel alive. And now that we're old and gray, and we're not as quick as we used to be, still you leave me breathless, relentless. And though that's still enough, but then you're standing right in front of me